Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Looking for a warehouse job in Canada with great pay, benefits and career growth? Amazon might be your best bet. In this video I'll walk you through the exact steps to apply for a Amazon warehouse position in Canada. Firstly guys, you need to go to amazon.jobs. This is just a overview page. So for example, you go to this address right here. And after that, you can find the jobs by, as you can see, location, and of course you can search by name. Also guys, the simplest solution is by going to this section right over here, press on view open jobs, and from here you can try browsing. After that you can just go to job categories from the bottom, and from here you need to choose Fulfillment Center Warehouse Associate. And as you can see guys, in here you can choose your filters, so your countries and stuff like that. But in general guys, you can search by city in the search bar, type in locations like Toronto, Calgary or Vancouver. Under location, select Canada to remove listings from the US, then filter by shift type, for example day, night, weekend or job type like full-time or part-time. Pick a job that fits your schedule and click apply now. So for example, you click on the job. As you can see, there's this flashy apply now button. Enter your personal information, availability and preferred shifts. You don't need a resume for most warehouse roles, but having one can help you stand out. Make sure to confirm your work eligibility in Canada. Permanent residents and citizens are eligible, and some student permits may also qualify. And that's how to apply for a job in Amazon warehouse in Canada. If this helped, give this video a like and check out more of our step-by-step guides. Good luck with your application. See you soon.